Where did President Roosevelt focus his main goal after becoming president? A. Banking, B. Education, C. Housing. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. The new laws that provided relief and support to the American people were called blank: the Great Society, the New Frontier, Square Deal, the New Deal. What was the goal of the Banking Relief Act? A. To make sure banks were financially sound to reopen for money purposes. B. To help farmers gain control of the farms they lost in the Dust Bowl. C. To help African American find affordable housing in the North. True or false? FDR used fireside chats to communicate with Americans, showing them that he cared and wanted to help during the Great Depression. True, false. What agency was created to regulate the stock market and stop fraud? A. The FBI, B. The CIA, C. The SEC. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. Blank was created to protect Americans' money in banks up to $250,000. CCC, FDIC, SEC, DIG. Match the parts of the New Deal with their correct examples. Column A, 1. Homeowners Loan Corporation, 2. Agricultural Adjustment Administration, 3. Civilian Conservation Corps, 4. Public Works Administration, 5. Civilian Works Administration. Column B, A. Bought people's mortgages, lowered interest rates to try to help Americans keep their homes. B. Put people to work building or improving schools, parks, roads, and airports. C. Put young men to work building roads and other things. D. Paid farmers not to grow crops to help lower agricultural prices. E. Put Americans to work building roads, railroads, bridges, schools, and dams. True or false? Due to the success of FDR's first New Deal, he decided to continue with a second New Deal. True, false.